No, that's what I'm looking at.
Yep.
I'm looking
Goes
at
to
the
the
inside
city.
now, it goes to the city.
Yep, now we're coming back into our pipe
Now you're
here.
backing it out. So these are little seams I see.
Yep.
That's every 3 feet.
Yep.
Okay, that's 3 feet. That's not a good bit.
Nope, that's fine. I mean, a little bit of roots in all these. Some stuff's still washing down that we cut away.
Okay.
And we'll slow down where it gets really bad right here.
Is there a bend?
Yep, right where it gets bad.
Is there a break in the material?
Yep.
Oh.
These are roots that are attached to my camera. You can see it right there in the corner, like on the top. See how it's all cracked? These are roots that are attached to my camera. These are your cracks right there. You see them?
Oh, for God's sake.
Yep.
Cracks
Yep.
in a round ductwork. Round
in the round pipe. Yep.
That's a crack.
See what I'm talking about? Can you tell?
And there's a line.
Right here?
Yeah, I see that.
You want to shut the water? Go shut the water off. So yeah, now you can really see how broken it is. And then it's broken right there too.
That's right there?
Yep, this is a big break.
Oh, God damn it. So in other words, that could collapse.
Oh yeah, this is the one I'm more worried about because it's on the top, you know? It looks like it goes down through to here. We're not going to be able to really see here because of the corner. Yep. Kind of like a little bend.
So if that comes down,
yep,
then it's bad. Then,
yep.
then it's good you can't put a tube in.
Right. Absolutely.
So in other words, all right, so that's, okay, now you're coming out.
Yep.
And the rest of that looks all okay so far.
Yep.
Now, is that another seam?
Yep.
Is that where they're like this?
Yep, they're every 3 feet.
That's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing the seam.
Some of them are every 2 feet. It kind of depends on what kind of pipe you got there, but
now
that's just a seam. It's a little bit offset, not too bad.
Didn't do it. Okay. All right. So in other words, it's that one spot. How long is that good for? What can you go out and practice just that one spot?
We can. We definitely can.
So that's some way to do that. You have to push something. Well, whatever.
You
put in a bladder and then swell it up. Something like a bladder.
Yep.
Some sort of material. Okay. And now you would do that. You would have to do. You would do it over a period of half a day.
Day.
A day.
Yep.
And I don't have to call this other guys.
No.
You can do it.
Yep. It just depends on what you want to do. You know what I mean? So here's the thing. Like,
so now,
if you're going to be here a while, take a look at. I'll show you here. Just keep watching. So you see, you got roots coming. There's some random tie in here that we don't know what that's coming from. Probably, like you said, the old building that used to be in that lot.
Right over there.
Yep.
So where is this? How far is this?
20 feet.
20 feet. 20 feet. Okay, I know.
And so, like, here is a repair. You know, so somebody already did a spot repair.
So this is not. Oh, this
somebody
is the
fixed
new
this spot. So
Which
the problem with the spot repair is that now it's just this one spot is fixed when they could have just done the whole thing, or at least most of it.
So this is in the lot next door.
No, this is just right outside.
Right outside the door. Out here a bit. Oh.
Oh, there's some tree roots stuck here. Hold on.
So the thoughts are you're getting done because you got another appointment, right?
I got another one, but we can talk.
No. Okay, so now we're looking at this. So now we're 2 feet, 1 feet, and we're done. That's it. Coming out.
Yep.
That's the
so that's like the old clean
right
out.
down here.
Mhm.
Jesus Christ.
Now
you're going back out.
Yeah, we're just gonna take another look at it quick.
Okay.
So yeah, so you know, somebody did a spot repair right outside the house here, and just right outside here, and you know, so like I said, don't get me wrong, we can definitely do the one